it's me, or my hands rather. Here. Hi. I'm gonna show you how to do those teardrop effects, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is and how you can do a bunch of different tear shapes or whatever shape, to be honest. Super fast and easy, and you can just use it in so many ways and add up to your makeup and do something creative. So here's what you're gonna need. So you're gonna need some parchment paper. You're gonna need a glue gun, of course, and some glue. And you're gonna need some nail polish if you want to paint your teardrops or whatever shape you're gonna do. If you want to do black teardrops, you can actually get black glue, which I had, but I ran out, so I'm gonna use the regular transparent glue, and I'm just gonna paint it with some black nail polish. But you can use whatever color you want. You can do a colorful tear look, like a rainbow tear look. That can be cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for my glue gun to get warm. So the parchment paper will make it super easy for you to remove the glue, and it will give you a flat surface, which is good, so when you apply it in your face it's super easy. It's hot enough, so I'm just gonna make the first tear. I just make like round it at the bottom and then just try and spread the remaining upwards. You want it to be really thin at the top so it looks a bit more realistic. This one wasn't the best, but let's just keep trying. And these look almost like raindrops. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for them to dry. Some of them look a bit weird, like this one here. But I think we got some really cool shapes. So yeah. Welcome to my face. So I let the teardrops dry for a while, and this is what they look like. So I already have my foundation on. I use the Jouer Eye Cover Foundation in Alabaster. I use it with a Pro Foundation mixer from NYX in white. So I have a really pale face today. And I contour it with my Catrice eyeshadow and Starlight Expresso. I also use some highlighter, which I'm really digging. I'm not sure if it's super noticeable on camera, but it's this super frosty white but with a blue hue. It's also an eyeshadow by NYX, prismatic eyeshadow. I just don't remember the name, so I'm just gonna put it somewhere in the video, or it will be in the description box. Also, if you enjoy my headdress, which I think is pretty cool, it's from Angelique by Cat. I will leave her Instagram down below because she's super talented. So let's do some makeup. I think I'm gonna do a pretty simple look because I want the tears to stand out. So I think I'm just gonna go with no brows, and I'm rediscovering NYX's prismatic eyeshadows because I have them all here in this magnetic palette, and sometimes I forget about them. So I have a few shades that I haven't tried yet, so I'm gonna try these purpley nudes, which is from their lingerie collection. I believe I'm gonna leave the names on the description box because I don't know them. As you can see, I was dumb enough not to put anything underneath them, so I have to look for their names. Anyway, I'm gonna use this lightest shade here, and then I'm gonna go for the darkest plum colors. I forgot this magnetic palette doesn't have a mirror, so I'm gonna use my little coffin mirror. Yes, okay. So just gonna do like kind of a sickly look almost. Gonna do some purpley dark circles. Alright, so I think it's enough eyeshadow. Let's take the tears, and now we're just gonna need some lash glue. Just put it on the back of the tear, some of the glue, and now placing it. First one done. Better to let it dry for a bit before you open your mouth too much. This is a thick tear. Some of these are not perfectly painted, but I think we can just fix them with some eyeliner later, so it's fine. So I'm gonna use a purple lip liner. This is from NYX and it's called Aria. And I'm gonna use the same lip liner to overline my lips, and I'm gonna do like this crazy big mouth. And I'm gonna fill it in with the liquid matte from ColourPop. This is in Guess, yes. I actually really don't like ColourPop matte lipsticks. I think they're so dry, and I think the applicator is so fluffy, and it's just not good if you want to be really precise and have a really sharp edge. So I have to go in with the lip brush now to make those edges really sharp. I'll be right back. I'm gonna add some mascara now, and I'm gonna use the Worth the Hype by NYX. I'm gonna put it on my bottom lashes. Just gonna put some on the outer corner and not all around. I don't want super voluminous lashes. I just want to give them a little bit more definition. Because it might be just a tiny bit too simple, I'm just gonna add the last detail on my forehead. So I'm gonna use the same pencil by NYX, and I'm just gonna do a cross. I'm gonna go back to the same eyeshadows I used for the eyes and just shade it a little bit. And now I'm going to darken the cross with the ColourPop lipstick. Okay, this is it. My battery just ran out, so I had to wait to recharge. So I was afraid that some of the tears, because they were very thick, especially these small ones, that they would start lifting, but they are doing pretty well, and it's been maybe an hour since I've done this makeup. This was super easy and fast to do. As you can see, you got a really dramatic makeup with just a few steps. And I forgot to show you, I had the tears, but I also did this little, look like raindrops, but they don't anymore. So just some flat red circles. Those are gonna go for a different look, but I'll insert a few pictures here of other looks I've did where I use the same technique, so you guys have an idea and maybe get inspired to do something similar yourselves. So if you guys want to see another makeup look with maybe these little red circles that I did, please let me know. Comment down below. I'm more than happy to do something for you. I'm just not sure like if too many makeup tutorials are boring sometimes. So yeah, I hope this was enjoyable. And don't forget, I have a merch store now, so if you guys get anything from the store, I will feature you in one of my videos, and the link will be down below and at the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!